I'm doing installs, I'm always thinking about getting it really secure so it really lasts a long term. And always getting a question from homeowners, well, what are you connecting it into? And every time it gets installed into the joist, and I'll show you that. So here's a down beam I've just put in. I use my favourite stud finder, Franklin sensor, and let you see it's got to be right in the centre of the stud. You know, it's got to be there. If it's not, this rack can't hold that 600 pound rating. But once I've got it in the centre of the stud, it definitely can. So every one of my bolts, all 8 bolts in every rack, has got to be in a ceiling joist. So that's what you're paying for when you have me come out and put it in for you, is that I find the centre of every joist, and you can be sure that you can put all your things up there safe, and it's not going to have problems in the future. Harry with Rack Your Garage.